Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Stas account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also open the Stas application if you want. If you've opened the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in app.stash.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll directly be led to the login interface of Stas. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. If you do not have the account yet, you can click on the option create account and create the account for yourself. Otherwise, you can simply log into your account. You can either log in with your email, or you can also continue with Google or continue with Apple. So simply click on the login method of your choice. If you want to log in with email, what you have to do is click on the field of email and enter your email address over here. Make sure to enter the registered email address. After that, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you've forgotten your password, you can click on the option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Now, after you enter the email and password, click on the login option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Stas account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.